the AOVO Bogist Mini V2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the AOVO Bogist Mini V2 electric bike. Here's a look at how the bike comes in when it's delivered. It's packaged well with a lot of foam and plastic protecting it. There's minimal assembly required and the user guide walks you through the process. Inside, it comes with a charger, user guide, tools, and pedals. Now the assembly process was fairly quick. Basically, you just have to fold the stem up, lock it into place, attach the handlebar, and also plug it in to the connector. You want to attach the front wheel, the fenders, the pedals, and then the seat. Going over some specs, this has an aluminum alloy frame, a 350 watt rear motor, 36 volt 7.5 amp hour lithium battery, 15 mile range, 15 mile per hour top speed, 16-inch tires, 3 pedal assist modes, and a thumb throttle, LCD display, front and rear lights and fenders. It weighs in at 55 pounds. A walkthrough around the bike, you'll see that the front has a front light and the folding lever. It has front fenders, 16-inch tires, and mechanical disc brakes. Towards the middle and the back, you have the battery keyhole, the charging port, the battery, rear light, kickstand, rear fender, and mechanical disc brakes. On the other side, you have the 350 watt rear motor. A look at the handlebar area, you have the brake levers, the bell, LCD display, thumb throttle, and controls. So powering up the bike, you have the power button here, so you just want to hold it down for a few seconds. And then you'll see the display light up. Pressing the power button again, you'll see the different speed modes. Right now it's on mode 1, mode 2, and mode 3. And then double pressing the power button will activate the front light. And as well as the rear light. Now you can see here the bike is very compact and it's lightweight. It doesn't fold in or anything, but the stem does go down. So you have the locking mechanism here. So basically you just want to pull up and then you can bring it down. So it's easier to transport or to store. Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I'll test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, throttle, test the brakes, see how it does uphill, downhill, and then give my thoughts. All right, now I'm gonna do the rough terrain test. I always take the e-bikes and scooters down this trail. It's pretty bumpy. This bike doesn't have any suspensions or fat tires, and the tires are pretty small, but let's see how it does. All right, here we go. Rough terrain test. All right, you're definitely feeling the bumps, but the seat is pretty wide and it's soft, so it absorbs, you know, the bumps here. All right, into the gravel. Nice and steady, handling it well. All right, now I'm gonna do the speed test. This has the pedal assist and the thumb throttle. So I'll start off with the pedal assist. Let's see how fast each level goes. There's 3 levels. Okay, so this is level 1. Here we go. All right, nice and steady here. We're at about 5 miles per hour on level 1. Moving to level 2, you can feel the pickup there. About 9 miles per hour. And level 3. So it looks like it's topping off at 15 miles per hour on mode 3 with the pedal assist. All right, so you saw with the pedal assist, we hit 15 miles per hour on mode 3. Now I'm just gonna use the thumb throttle, same thing. I'll start off with mode 1 and go to mode 3. All right, this is just a thumb throttle on mode 1. Here we go. So 5 miles per hour, switching to mode 2. A little more pickup there. About 8 miles per hour. And mode 3. So 15 miles per hour, just like the pedal assist, is where we're topping off on mode 3. Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes and you can use the parking lines as reference. Now time for the uphill test. We saw with the speed test, we hit about 15 miles per hour. That's where it topped off. Let's see if it can maintain that speed as we make it up the incline here, or if we lose speed. Then we'll proceed with the downhill test. All right, uphill test, here we go. And I'm just gonna use the thumb throttle. All right, nice smooth acceleration. We're up to the max speed of 15 miles per hour. I'm gonna begin the climb here. Let's see if it could maintain the speed. Still holding about 14 right now as we begin this climb. So holding 14 miles per hour right now. There's going to be a bit of downhill here into the turn. All right, so with the uphill test, we started climb at the max speed of 15 miles per hour, and then we lost about 1 mile per hour and powered through at 14 miles per hour. So now let's see how it does downhill. Here we go. All right, nice and stable. Everything feels solid. Steering feels stable. No rattles, no vibrations. Just smooth ride all around. All right, we're at 15 miles per hour, maintaining the speed as we go downhill here. Here are my thoughts on the bike. The assembly process was straightforward and you can be up and running in no time. I didn't run into any issues. The paint is a gloss white and it also comes in black. There were no imperfections during the shipping process. The bike feels solid and well put together. This is a mini bike, so it may not be perfect for tall riders. The cables are well organized and the majority are ran through the frame. The saddle is wide, soft, and very comfortable, and there were no issues during longer rides. The handlebars are decent length, the steering felt stable and tight, no rattles or vibrations. Rough surfaces can be a bit bumpy. This doesn't have any front or rear suspensions. The 350 watt motor was sufficient for the bike's size. It was able to handle the inclines with minimal speed loss and maintain about 14 miles per hour. With pedal assist, I reached 15 miles per hour along with the throttle. This has an advertised max speed of 15 miles per hour and a range of 15 miles. But this will depend on the throttle usage, pedal assist level, weight, and environment you're in. The mechanical brakes had good stopping power and they grabbed on quick. The display is large and intuitive and easy to read, but it can get washed out on bright sunny days. Overall, the bike performed for its small size. It's not going to break any speed records or range, But if you're looking for something that's small and portable for that last mile commute, this is something to check out. So that is my review of the AOVO Bogist Mini 2 electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.